Okay, everyone, never ever pull fire alarms in public buildings or in other people's houses unless there is a real fire or if you have permission. But if it's not for those reasons, do not pull fire alarms outside of your own house. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have a fire alarm system in their house, you do not pull it unless they give you permission or if, God forbid, there were a fire in their house. But if it's not for those reasons, do not pull it. Do not pull it for fun because it's not your alarm, so don't pull it for fun. Now, if you have your own fire alarms in your own house, then you get to pull it for fun, but not in somebody else's house, and especially not in a public building. If you do it in a public building, you will get into serious trouble and you will go to jail. And you are responsible for endangering people's lives somewhere else. Even pulling fire alarms in somebody else's house is a bad thing to do. If you pull the fire alarm in my house, you will get arrested by the police. Bye.